What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am here with another video for y'all. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to color my hair. But the thing about it is I have grays, okay? And I need to cover my gray hair. I really do. It's getting out of control. Like, it's taking over my hair. I'm tired of plucking these little gray hairs and them coming back full force. If you understand what I mean, it's getting ridiculous. So, your girl has to cover her gray. So I'm gonna color it, but I'm gonna use a semi-color for my hair. Yes, my hair is relaxed. For anyone who's new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, please, and thank you. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get into this video. Yeah, okay, so anyways, yeah, so I'm going to use Dark and Lovely Reviving Colors. This is a semi-color, so it's not permanent. This is in a color, it's natural black. So I'm gonna try this out. What came in the box was the Reviving Color. This was the natural black that came in the box. Also, it came with some conditioner, leave-in conditioner. So that's what I'm gonna do today. If you guys don't believe me, look at my grays, okay? They are out of control. I don't know if y'all can see, but when I open this hair up, you see all this? Do y'all see my gray hairs? Look, okay? I mean, am I stressed? I guess so. Like, wow, it's really out of control, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, like, look. My baby hairs have grays, you see that? No, sir, no, ma'am. No, we gotta take care of that today. So yeah, I'm tired. And so I don't really have to do my whole hair or whatever. I'm just trying to get this little roots here in the crown of my head, because that's where the most grays are. So I'm really trying to pay attention to that section of my hair. So yeah, I am relaxed, so this is definitely safe for your relaxed hair. They also say that you can also, when you use this, you can relax and color it the same day. But it's a rinse, so it's not that hard on your hair, so that's why you can do them both. And they said this normally lasts for like 6 to 8 shampoos, so I should be fine for a minute. We'll see how long it holds up, because if not, your girl may have to get some permanent, okay? All right, so let's get into it really quick. I don't want to talk all day, so put my gloves on. Now they said to section your hair into 4 sections, which I have my hair in sections. I have this too, and then this in the back, and then that part in the back. So really, like I said, I'm not even really worried about the back of my hair or covering all of my hair. Just where I know my little gray spots are, make sure I can get that covered. Okay, so we're gonna open up this bottle. And you do need to wash your hair prior to doing this. So step 1 is washing your hair and make sure it's clean. And then this is the second step, which is the coloring of the hair. So let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I am pretty much done. This is how it looks. You can see I make sure I emphasize a lot of it on the top part of my hair, and I did do the back as well. Now I didn't do it as much as in the back as I did in the front because, like I said, I'm really just trying to focus on all up in here, right? So I did that. So the next step is to just get you a plastic cap, and then they say to leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes and let it sit. Now they also said for quicker results or brighter results, you can go under a hooded dryer for like 15-20 minutes, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to sit around for about 20-30 minutes, and then I will rinse it out. And then once I rinse it out, I will show you guys the results. See y'all in a minute. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Now I just washed my hair out. I just washed the color out. So this is how it's looking. Okay, out. Ooh, what gray? I don't see any. Bam, it's gone. Well, ooh, I see a strand here. Maybe I didn't get it all the way. But for the most part, the rest of it is covered. Yeah. Yes. Good. Boom. Okay, I'm happy with those results. All right. Now, you guys also know with relaxed hair, well, the next step, I got to put this conditioner in. So they give you this leave-in conditioner. Make sure you put it in, leave it in, distribute it throughout your hair, because hair, whether it's relaxed or natural, you put any type of color in it, it's going to dry out your hair, period. And who wants dried out hair? Not me. So you got to get it moisturized. So I'm putting all of this in my hair, plus this is to make it soft, get the moisture back in it, because the color, like I said, it will make your hair not soft. It'll make it dry. So put as much as you can in your hair. Also, if you have any other moisturizers that you put in your hair, please do so. Because that's what I'm doing. Okay? I put my go-to mango spray in here. Definitely get your hair moisturized. I'm putting my olive oil treatment in my hair. Okay? Just throw it in here. And all my ladies who are relaxed, you definitely need to do this, okay? Because, yes, you don't want your hair getting dry. Because what happens when it's dry, your ends are gonna break. And you don't want that. No ma'am. No ma'am, no sir. So get your oils, your hair lotions, your conditioners, and throw it all in your hair. Okay? And then you can comb through as normal and style as normal. Bam. All right, guys, that's it. Ooh, that's it. Get all this stuff off my hands. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and I will happily get to them. Make sure you guys keep coming back to my channel for my updates on my new videos that I will be putting out. I'll be putting out some different type of content, but still doing my hair videos. So anyways, like I said, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. I just colored my hair and it is working for me. No more grays. Like I said, it does last, it said for 6 to 8 washes or 6 to 8 shampoos. So hopefully this can stay in my hair for a minute. All right, guys, I gotta go, but I will see you all in my next video.